Hey there, Jason Pickle from Volunteer Botanicals, and today I'm excited to show you just how easy it is to dose a beverage using our Rapidose emulsion dosing kit. Whether you're working with Delta-9 THC, CBG, CBD, lion's mane, or a myriad of other ingredients, Volunteer provides a kit for you to do bench work at your facility, one drink at a time, so you don't have to do any of the funky math before you spend any money. Stick around, I'll show you how easy it is. So let's talk about what's in this kit. Our dosing kit includes about 4 or 5 different tincture bottles of Delta-9 THC, CBG, CBD, lion's mane extract, all of which are completely flavorless, water-soluble, and pre-measured, so you don't have to think. The whole goal is to eliminate any kind of guesswork or math on your end. And these aren't just any ingredients. They're truly precisely engineered to stay perfectly in suspension and deliver consistent dosing every time. Let's take a look to see what's in this box so you're comfortable when you receive it. So right out of the gate, our little guy, which you can request online at volunteerbotanicals.com and go to the Beverage Accelerator page. And there will be a spot down at the very bottom for you to request our emulsion kit. It will arrive like this. You'll have a dosing card that will explain the ingredients and how to dose. And it will have tincture bottles, 4 or 5 of them like this, and each one of them will have the dosing instructions on the side. So basically, it's everything that you need to test your beverage ideas without having to do complex math or messy experiments or frustrating do-overs. With this kit, you can focus on your creativity and confidence with every test. Whether you're a brewer or a new brand testing different combinations of ingredients, this kit is designed for you. So each drop is a precise dose, meaning you get complete control over the potency of your beverage. Whether you're testing a light functional dose or you're scaling up for production, this kit allows you to easily adjust dosage to match your formulation goals. So think about this as your toolkit, and each one of these are a certain set of tools. So for today's experiment, to show you how it works, we'll do Delta-9 THC, CBD, and lion's mane. So right out of the gate, take the bottles, give them a quick shake. Perfect. Now we're looking at Delta-9 THC. The great thing about this one is the dosing's on the side. 1 drop is 1 milligram. So for this experiment, I'm going to do 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 milligrams of THC into this beverage. And I'd like to add 10 milligrams of CBD. CBD is double the strength, which you'll see on the back. Each drop is 2 milligrams, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 10 milligrams of CBD. And lastly, lion's mane extract, incredible ingredient in water-soluble format. Very powerful, very impactful. We'll do a full dropper full of this guy in here. Perfect. Check that out. Beautiful. That's all it takes. Boom. Even in water, no flavor profile. Have fun, try different combinations, and unlock your perfect ratio. And keep in mind, when working with botanical-based functional ingredients, precision is paramount. You're dosing active milligrams into a beverage, so you want to make sure that what you're trying to put in goes in and stays in your can. So precision dosing matters. And it's super important in your functional beverage because you want to make sure that your beverage obtains a result or a goal. And these ingredients allow you to do just that. And our liquid emulsions, they're designed to deliver consistent results each and every time. And it ensures that every sip from your customer, they get what they're expecting. And there is no variation in our ingredients, and we want no variation in your beverage. So this allows you to fine-tune your product in small test batches and scale it with confidence. What you'll notice when you dose a beverage is microemulsions provide a little bit of a cloudy consistency when in your product, but I can assure you this does not affect taste or the efficacy of your beverage. It stays in complete suspension, so no worries in terms of integrity of the ingredient. Poof, that's it. It's as simple as that. Dosing a drink is truly as simple as dropping it in the beverage, stirring it up, and taking a sip. And at Volunteer Botanicals, we've made this process so smooth that you can focus on creating your innovative and market-ready products. With our rapid dose ingredients, there's no guesswork, just precision and results. And when you're ready to scale your batch and go to a larger batch size from benchwork, don't worry, we can help you with your formulation math just to make sure every active milligram is going into each and every one of your cans. We know it's challenging, but we're here to help. And if you have a sample kit, great, have some fun. Let us know what you're creating. And if you haven't received a sample kit, it's as easy as heading over to the volunteerbotanicals.com website and submitting an order form on the Beverage Accelerator page, and you'll receive a kit just like this with a dosing card just like this that'll show you exactly how to do it, as well as an explanation on some of our ingredients. Have fun, enjoy the dosing kit, and make an incredible beverage.